everybody, it's Abby, and here we are cooking some veggies. We got our turkey back here, seasoned and saucy. So what we're doing with our veggies right now, we have some, what do we got in here? We got mushrooms, we got some spaghetti stuff, and we got some other good things in there.
Let's see. There's baby bok choy. You've got portobello mushrooms and some zucchini noodles because we're trying to make some healthy recipes for our family, right? Cooking with kids.
As we all know, I have a type 1 diabetic brother, so we need to make more healthy things. And healthy is like ground turkey, veggies. But what we're adding for our first seasoning, we are adding lemon pepper. Lemon pepper. I love lemon pepper. So we're just going to lightly sprinkle that all over these.
And it's just steaming in some water right now, right? With a little bit of drizzle of what?
Olive oil.
Oh, I got some
and
olive oil.
So if you listen closely, you can hear little bubbles.
Cooking with kids, healthy dinner. We've got some ground turkey,
we're
veggies.
Gonna add some Lowry's.
You like seasoned salt?
We don't want to add too much Lowry's.
Yeah.
Because that could ruin the flavor. So we just want to add just
slightly sprinkle the top. Cool.
A little bit of Lowry's.
You like cooking, Abby?
Yeah.
It's fun to be able to cook your own healthy meals, huh?
If you have any spatulas or spoons, let's see if I can get my spoons to mix up all of the flavors. So what we're gonna do with the spoon, we're gonna grab the handle so it doesn't accidentally fall off and so you don't ruin your dinner. You want to just spread the seasoning around, spread all the veggies around,
that's
spread
looking
that
good.
oil
It smells
around.
really good. So there's bok choy in there, portobello mushrooms, and those zoodles. It's just chopped up zucchini instead of the noodles. More veggies, healthy.
Yeah.
Yum, that looks amazing. Okay, you think we could be sharing more recipes to help people? Because we're on our 50-state tour, but we want to be eating healthy too, huh?
So, when we're making dinner, usually the boys go off and do something, which is like pool or stuff. So they're down doing pool right now, which fun for the boys. Everybody knows pool. If you don't, you're crazy. But the girls get some girl time to cook up the good recipe. So please like and subscribe. What is your favorite thing to cook? And make sure you do a lot of activities with your mother because it's really fun and I just think you'd like to. Bye!